Yeah, 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 yeah. You cooking with P. Yeah, 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 yeah. You cooking with P. Yep. You cooking with P. You cooking with P. Yeah, 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 yeah. You cooking with the P.
Yeah, so this is the brine. It's actually cooling down now, but it's got peppercorn, rosemary, salt, sugar, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. But you make your brine the way you want. You can throw your own flavor in there, baby, baby. Cooking with Pete.
So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up with guarantee. Yeah, yeah.
Give your chicken a nice rinse before placing it in the brine.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're cooking with P. Yep. You're cooking with P. My attempt is a reality. Yeah, you're cooking with the P.
Rinse your meat off. Really good.
I'ma show you a few of my recipes. Flavor of the day, I'm sure that you will agree. So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up with guarantee.
Slowly pour the brine over the chicken. Zip up the bag to keep the brine from leaking out.
Okay, so chicken been brining for about 2 days. I got 2 holes in there, and I got some leg quarters. We're gonna have to rinse these off, and let it do what it do out there on the smoker. Alright, let's get these babies rinsed off. Alright, so I'm gonna be one-handing these because I got the tripod set up editing a video from the Christmas recital. So forgive my photography work and forgive me. This ain't normally how I do it. But I got my tripod set up to where I can dub some filming that I did yesterday at the recital. Yeah, I'm just gonna rinse these off, get these peppercorns and this rosemary off. Oh.
You're cooking with me. Yep. You're cooking with me. My attempt is a reality.
Let's get some of this stuff off of here.
Cooking runs way deep in my family tree. I'ma show you a few of my recipes. Flavor of the day, I'm sure that you will agree.
Alright.
So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up with guarantee.
So that's it. So we're gonna rinse these babies off. Probably should have filmed with my right hand because the left hand is acting a little funny. Except for when I eat, because I eat left hand. You ain't got time to get funny when I'm getting my grub on. No, sir. So we're going to let that drain and dry a little bit. We're going to pat it down with some paper towels. But we're going to let it sit in here and drain for about 10-15 minutes. We're going to pat it down with some paper towels and take it on out to the grill. You're cooking with P.
My attempt
Be right
is a
back.
reality. Yeah, you're cooking with the P. Cooking runs way deep in my family tree. I'ma show you a few of my recipes. Flavor of the day, I'm sure that you will agree. So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up with guarantee.
We want the chicken to be as dry as possible. Pat down with paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Then add your favorite seasonings.
You're cooking with the P. Yeah. You're cooking with the P. My attempt is a reality. Yeah. You're cooking with the P. Cooking runs way deep in my family tree. I'ma show you a few of my recipes. Flavor of the day, I'm sure that you will agree. So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up, we guarantee.
Alright, so we about to bring this bird out here and get it on the smoker. Smoker's sitting at about 250. I just put another piece of wood, so it's gonna come up to probably about 300, and then we're gonna let it walk its way back down. But anyway, you want to cook it slow when you're smoking. We'll be right back. You're cooking with P. Alright, I got my bird right here. About to put the whole ones over here closer to the fire, because they gonna need the most heat. Put our leg quarters out here. We're gonna close that lid and let it do what it do.
After about 4 hours of smoking on the grill, with temperatures between 200 and 250, this is the result. Forgive the presentation on the one bird, because I had to make sure it was done.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy P, and we about to cut into this bird. Let it do what it do. Remember, cook it with P. Alright, let's get it cracking. Alright.
So good, gonna bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up, we guarantee.
Oh man, you should see the juices coming out of this thing. Oh. Skin nice and crunchy. Can you see that? You see that moisture? Look at that. Oh man, we're gonna have to check it out.
Well, stop talking, P, and let's check it out.
The moment we all been waiting for. I wish I was here. I wish I was here to check it out with me. But I got your back. Alright, here it goes.
You're cooking with the P. My attempt is a reality. Yeah, you're cooking with the P. Cooking runs way deep in my family.
Well, how does it taste?
Show you a few of my recipes. Flavor of the day, I'm sure that you will agree.
That's pretty doggone good.
Bring it down to one knee. Gonna spice it up.
Make it taste the smoke flavor, but it's not overpowering. God, we're at brine for almost 2 days. But yeah, it's, oh my God, this is so good.
You're cooking with the P.
Wow.
You're cooking with
All right. I appreciate you guys watching. Check me out next time on Cooking with P. And we'll see you later. Peace.
Yeah, you're cooking with the P. Cooking runs me.
PJTV.